Namaskar.
Once more, I welcome you all. In today's video, I will share with you the use of a particular picture or a statue after using which, if you have a dream and you are not able to fulfill it, or if you initiate some work but are not able to complete it, then after using this picture or statue, you will be able to achieve your dreams. I am talking about running red horses. First, we need to understand what are running red horses. When we talk of red horses, horses represent energy. If we check a machine and want to know its capacity, we judge it in its horsepower. That means, what is a machine's horsepower? So, the first thing that we need to understand is that horses represent energy. Second, from astrological point of view, in the journey of 27 nakshatras, the first nakshatra, which is the nakshatra of Ketu, it is Ashwani nakshatra. Ashwani nakshatra is directly connected with horses. And what is Ketu? Ketu is an affirmation. Ketu is a promise. To dream about someone or something is of Ketu. This nakshatra is of Aries sign, which is of Mars. That is why red horses. If you use red horses inside your home, according to Vastu Shastra, the incomplete work in your life starts getting completed. If anything is stuck, it will start getting finished. If you have dreamed of something but are not able to take even a step to achieve it, then you will see that without even realizing, you will accomplish your dream. So, the use of red horses with the astrological combinations I have shared with you now, you can use them in your home. In which direction you can place them, and what all you must be careful about. The first thing you must keep in mind is that whenever you select the horses, the running horses must be running in the same direction, because if in the picture running horses are running in different directions, then you will initiate a work but leave it halfway, then initiate some other work and leave it incomplete, then third, then fourth, and likewise. So make sure the horses are moving in the same direction. Second, the horses in the picture should not look tired, or in the statue, they shouldn't seem tired. If it is like that, you too will feel tired while doing your work. Exactly opposite to this, if the horses are running and the facial expressions of that painting or that statue are very good, then you will be able to accomplish anything without stopping or getting tired. According to Vastu Shastra, south southeast direction gives you confidence in your life. So, in this direction, you can use your running red horses as a painting or as a statue.
घोड़ों का उपयोग या पेंटिंग के रूप में या एक स्टैचू के रूप में कर सकते हैं.
But before this, please ensure, since the south southeast direction is of the fire element in your house, water element should not be there. After checking this, you can use them. Now, how to utilize them? Whenever you want to use it, place it in a brown frame and put it in the south southeast direction. Make sure that their facing is towards the inside of the house. And if you are using a statue, make sure that the horses face the center of the house. So, by doing this easy remedy in your life, if you have any dream, you can fulfill it surely. If things are not working out or not getting finished, you will be able to finish them.
कर पाएंगे. यदि आपके कोई भी काम बिगड़ रहे हैं, यानी कि कोई भी काम पूरा नहीं कर पा रहे, तो
I hope and wish that in your life you will be able to use this remedy and accomplish your goal. So, continuing this journey of the Sarthi series, I will meet you all once again with a new remedy which will bring lots of success. I will now take your leave. Till then, thank you.
तो आज्ञा दीजिए. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.